The agency report download allows users to now pull multiple dashboards across different accounts in one single download. So for example here, you can see that I've just selected, I want on the inventory page, the stockouts, the inventory page, test total, and the PO page, closed and completed dashboards to be exported. Now, the cool part about this is if each user, whatever accounts they actually have access to, they will be able to, when they click download, it will start processing and downloading all those dashboards for all the accounts that you actually have access to. So if you don't have access, it won't download those exports, so there is security built around it. Now, once the download is done, it will look something like this, where on the left-hand side, you'll be able to have account name, and it will pull the same dashboard across all 5, 10, 20, however many accounts, and build across the bottom all the different sheets. Now, this is just an old example, so we don't have all the sheets. But once this one is done, you'll be able to download it here and have all accounts and all three of those dashboards that I just selected in one Excel download so that you can quickly do analysis, especially if you're an agency or an aggregator.